Hello, in this video I want to show you how to paint your Daemon Prince in Total War Warhammer 3. And to do this, first you will need to download the mod from Steam, and here I have the workshop. It's called Daniel Painter Paint Your Daemon Prince. It's this mode right here. You can download it, activate it in the launcher, and then next time you will open your game. Here's my Daemon Prince, and we can click on character details. Then select this button right here, change the color of your Daemon Prince, and when you click on it, you'll be able to pick whichever color you like for primary colors, secondary colors as well. And that is basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.